I'm vlogging. I'm gonna make the Ultra Jenga. Okay. Wait, let me get my Jenga first. Okay. It's already here. This is not little bit light. Yeah, I'm gonna open the eyes. The lights. Okay. Now we log in. There's nothing in. Okay. Let's start this. How? Now I just upside down the camera. Okay. Wait, it needs to be bigger. Yeah. Okay ba?
Uy, sa akin.
Yeah, like just like that.
Ang nagbago.
It needs like space. Yeah, like that. And I'm gonna put another. Okay, just like that. This do not fall. Okay. This will take minutes. Okay? This will take minutes. Another level. Another level. Another level. It cannot fit in my phone. I will show you to the next level. Guys. Wow. Look. I'm gonna look. You will see it, guys. See? Bro. 3, 2, 1. Umaga. 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh my God, it's weak. No way. Umaga.
Huwag mo muna itutumbayin na. Magwawalis ako.
Bakit?
Magwawalis na ako.
Huwag ko itumba?
Ay, kung lang yung nasuwas mo na ito.
Huwag ko itumba?
Huwag mo itutumbayin, magwawalis muna ako.
Bro, guys, I cannot tumba it. I will cannot fall. Like, see you. Oh my God, I just picture.